Welcome to Gaming Fin, your channel for everything related to the gaming industry and the financial markets. And it's time again to talk about Ubisoft. So, you know guys, I love actually talking about Ubisoft on this channel, especially if you have a chart like this one here on the screen. So if you have if you have a chart like this, so Mr. Orange gets interested. This is the moment I get interested in some gaming companies. If I see they have been punished like crazy. So from the top, from 107.8 euros down in this year, in the beginning of this year, to 19-20 euros. So I bought a little bit here, and recently I also bought a bit more, and I have some orders in the market. To buy still a bit more, because I'm starting to get more interest. I'm starting to get more bullish on Ubisoft. So I'm going to explain all of this to you in this video. So Ubisoft had a great Friday, so 5.15%, so 5%, round about 5% up. That's quite a nice run. And if you look now here at the chart, let's go here on the chart. So this is the chart. So actually I thought we would see maybe the 20 euros again. So hey guys, I don't have the crystal ball. I'm just a YouTuber, a retail investor, not a financial advisor. So I don't know more than anyone else. So I'm just looking at the chart. I'm looking at the momentum. I look at the game. So I look at the outlook, and I look at the numbers, and of course all of this. But as we know, we broke one of the one of the best trend lines here from 2012, and also my Fibonacci retracement is from 2012. So Ubisoft definitely lost a lot. So, and honestly, I'm now a bit reluctant. I don't think we are breaking through this Fibonacci retracement so quickly. So after 5.15%, I think it's not excluded, to be honest, guys. It's not excluded that we go back at least to the 22, 23 euros. So I would really wonder if we break through this now. But it also depends a bit on the overall European markets, the overall European growth tech market. So all right, so enough talk now about the chart. So let's have a look here at the numbers. So this is the games industry biz article. Check it out, please. So they say Ubisoft's first quarter sees a 9% dip. So actually numbers are down, but CEO Yves Guillemot said we delivered a better than expected performance and we continue to progress. So I'm not going to read this great article by Jeffrey Rousseau, so check him out. He's doing good work there. So also on Google Finance, we don't see any P ratio because we are negative. That maybe needs to be mentioned. So I think I'm not 100% sure if the new numbers are actually already here in. But if you look now at the quarterly or the annual statement, so hey, 2023 doesn't look so good, but this is what they expected. Though they said they get positive again in 2024, and they are on track to this. And from a year-to-year change, so obviously we are down. So we all have to admit this. So, but guys, here, Investor Center, you get all the data. Let's have a quick look actually at the games that are coming. So because those are the upcoming games, and there we have Star Wars Outlaws, we have The Crew Motorfest, Avatar Frontiers of Pandora, X-Defined, very, very popular as a free-to-play game, and Prince of Persia: The Lost Crown. I think it's very interesting, and I have to admit this time I'm not so interested in Assassin's Creed Mirage. However, this could be a big success if they pull it off. So very difficult always to say if they manage, but if they manage, then this could be successful. Then we have some other titles, some like the Tom Clancy's The Division, Heartland. We have Assassin's Creed Nexus VR, we have some mobile games, and also some other games that obviously get some more DLC. So if I'm looking here at the overall games, and I'm looking forward to Avatar Frontiers of Pandora and Prince of Persia personally the most, and Star Wars Outlaws could also be pretty good, because this is not going to be a woke game, and hey, we don't like those woke games anymore. I think we can all agree on this. So therefore, let's go to the numbers. Now it gets a bit more technical, more number orientated. So yeah, for just having the information where Ubisoft stands now, guys, I'm giving you therefore very quickly the outlook and the quick numbers, and then I go a little bit deeper. So sales and net bookings. So we have for the first quarter came to 288 million, down 9.2% compared with the first quarter in 2022 and 2023. So this is the comparison, the year-over-year comparison. We are down. Very important. First quarter net bookings total to 267 million, exceeding the target of around 240 million. So, and then this is but down minus 8.7% on the 293 million figure for the first quarter of 2022-23. So what is important is we are down overall in the sales. So bookings is always a bit, bookings, you have to define what bookings is for gaming companies. There's a special definition, of course. So outlook, net bookings for the second quarter are expected to come in at around 350 million. So that's, of course, I mean, how much brutto they earn. And then for the full year, the company confirms its financial targets for 2023-2024. Very important. It expects strong top-line growth and non-IFRS operating income at approximately 400 million. They said this already some month ago. And the fiscal year 24 lineup includes the Assassin's Creed Mirage, Avatar, Rainbow Six Mobile, The Division Resurgence also mobile, another large game, as well as Just Dance, Prince of Persia, Lost Crown, Skull and Bones. No one talks about Skull and Bones anymore. The Crewfest and X Defiant. So, and I'm actually missing here, when I'm going back, I'm missing X Defiant, Prince of Persia, Star Wars Outlaws. I think they're not mentioning Star Wars Outlaws, so it's not coming then. Okay, Star Wars Outlaws not coming now, but it comes a little bit later. So overall, guys, it seems we are on track actually with great lineup to get it back in the more happy realm of bookings and sales. I mean, we want to make money, of course, with Ubisoft. That's the most important thing. And how they make money, hey, we don't care. I mean, Ubisoft is still one of the bigger gaming companies out there. So 2 days ago, Ubisoft share jumped after first quarter net bookings, so exceeding expectations. So that's a very important information for this 5% up. Outlook looks okay. But now from a technical point of view, we have very strong resistance at 40 euros, very strong resistance, in my opinion, at 35 euros. And of course, if we get here back on the trend line, this would be amazing. Everything is possible, but I'm not excluding that we go down a little bit again. So let's read what the CEO Guy Guimont is telling us. This quarter we delivered a better than expected performance, and we continue to progress on our two-pillar strategy of reaching a significantly larger audience and growing our recurring revenues. We showcased our promising big brand games and live experiences during the highly regarded Ubisoft Forward event. I actually really enjoyed this event, positioning us favorably for the upcoming month and years. In addition to increased engagement and positive sentiment from players, Ubisoft Forward was an important moment of pride for our team across the world. Our test phases for our free-to-play titles during the quarter provided key data to our teams as they are getting the games ready for release. We also announced that Level Infinite will be publishing Assassin's Creed codenamed Jade on mobile. It reflects the powerful appeal of our brands and the significant value creation our shareholder agreement with Tencent is delivering. Here, Tencent, again, they have their little fingers everywhere. This publishing partnership greatly enhances our medium-term mobile footprint while delivering significant financial value to the benefit of Ubisoft and its shareholders. As we look to the future, we are confident that our sharp focus on our biggest opportunities, coupled with significant cost reductions, will result in meaningful progression of revenue, so making more money, earnings, and cash flow generation over the coming year. So this is important. So therefore, I'm reading this to you guys. I'm reading this to you. I know you don't want me now to read this, but I could also read this, of course, to you. But hey, first quarter activity. So Tom Clancy Rainbow Six net bookings and DAUs, daily active users, grew double-digit year-on-year, driven by strong activity throughout the quarter on the back of its new Year 8 Season 2 and seasonal event. So it's amazing that Rainbow Six is still a cash-making title. Other live games performed well with The Division 2, witnessing strong activity thanks to the new seasonal content. Also Crew 2 reaching near record monthly active users in June, ahead of the Crew Motorfest release. And then this quarter also saw numerous test phases for upcoming free-to-play initiatives like Rainbow Six Mobile, The Division Heartland, and then Division Resurgence. I think also mobile. Those games are also mobile. XDefiant held a 3-day open session to test its technical infrastructure and the changes implemented on the back of the feedback received from the closed beta. The community praised the close collaboration between developers and players. Yeah, well, I mean, if they don't do it, it's really bad actually. So later this summer, Motorfest will offer fans a chance to test the game between July 21st and July 23rd. So through a 3-day closed beta. So I think I have to open my Ubisoft account, Uplay launcher, to participate there. So, actually, this was this weekend. Skull and Bones will launch a closed beta on August the 25th, giving player a chance to experience the multiplayer pirate open world game firsthand as the team continues to work toward its release later this fiscal year. So fiscal year is not like our normal year. So fiscal year always goes to March, I think. Finally, Assassin's Creed Codename Jade will hold a closed beta also then in August. Successful Ubisoft Forward event offered tangible evidence of lineup strength. So that's all the games that you have seen there. Here's some more numbers. Event generated 102 million impressions on social media. And more than 4,000 media articles. So I also posted on my Twitter. Level Infinite to publish mobile game Assassin's Creed Codename Jade. We had this information already. Then Ubisoft further strengthens its board with proposed nomination of 2 new highly qualified independent directors. So yeah, well, I'm not going there too much into detail here. You can check this out. Those are the numbers, guys. Here also Ubisoft sees a 9% dip. Net sales, net bookings. Here again, the numbers, very important. It's all down, but we have outlook. Expectation for the outlook is quite well. Ubisoft share jumps after first quarter. Net bookings exceed forecast. So shares go up often when the forecast actually was, if the forecast was, let's say, forecast was more negative, and then the actual numbers come out better, then the share jumps. So that's how it normally works. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed this, comment, like, and subscribe, of course, and also check out my other videos. And my friends, I have to talk about Focus Entertainment, and as well, this is a great French gaming company where I bought some more stocks. I doubled my position also on Friday. So not financial advisor, retail investor, YouTuber. This is for information and entertainment purposes only. Please don't buy anything I'm talking about in my videos. So you would have bought at 90 euros, and then you would have panic sold at 19 euros, and then you would have lost all your money. So I'm sure about that, guys. So see you next time. Bye bye.